Okay, I told you we're going to break this down step by step. Okay, so today, your job is to take the facts that you sorted and put them into your slideshow. Okay, so let me show you what I kind of mean by that. Okay, back to, I'm just picking on Emma, I don't know why. Okay, so back to Emma's sort. Okay, she has yellow, green, and pink. Okay, so she had her 3 subtopics. What was it? What were the symptoms and causes of sleep apnea? And then what were the treatments? Okay, so Emma would take this and then she would go to Google Classroom and open the research project template, okay, which is just a very generic slideshow. Okay, you're gonna do a lot of work to this to get all your points. And she would start adding in slide number 3, her first subtopic, at least 3 facts. Okay, so under what is sleep apnea, that would be this slide, and then she would put her 3 facts in here, at least 3, could be more. Now, if you have a lot of information, you might want to divide this into 3 separate slides. That's up to you. It's your project. Okay, then she would go to her next subtopic, which was the symptoms and the causes. Okay, she would put at least 3 facts in here, and then she would go down to the next subtopic, her third subtopic area, and that would be the treatments. So she would put at least 3 facts on this slide. Okay, so your job for today is to take your sorted facts and to put them into your slideshow. Okay, however you would like for those to appear, and then if you need to break this down even farther, you can add slides. You can, put your formatting on here. If you don't want it blank, you don't want to do all that work, you can go up and pick the other formats that are up there, stick them in, okay? As long as you have at least 3 fact slides, okay? It could be 3, 6, 9, it could be more, okay? All right, that's your job for today.